Let's watch the promotional video about Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula.
Are you someone who enjoys going on trips? Are you looking for somewhere to visit and things to see and do, but you can't seem to figure out where it is? Well, this is it. I recommend that you visit Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Come with me and let's explore and be mesmerized by the Zamboanga Peninsula's natural beauty. Zamboanga Peninsula is an administrative region in the Philippines designated as Region 9. It consists of 3 provinces, Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga Sibugay, and Zamboanga del Sur, and including 4 cities, which is Dapitan, Dipolog, Isabela, Pagadian, and the highly urbanized Zamboanga City. The region was previously known as Western Mindanao. Explore Zamboanga City, known as the Ciudad de Flores or City of Flowers, and one of the most important and busiest port cities in the Philippines. Bursting with a diverse culture and rich history, Zamboanga City possesses a charm that would satisfy your curiosity. Farming and fishing are the main economic activities of the region. Zamboanga Peninsula home industries include rattan and furniture craft, basket making, weaving, and brasswork. Dipolog City is home to a number of bottled sardines companies which are being exported abroad. And of course, a trip to the Zamboanga is not complete without watching the colorful festivals that showcase the uniqueness of its friendly, industrious people and the majestic natural attractions. If you do find yourself traveling to the beautiful and rich city of Zamboanga, we recommend not to miss out on visiting some of these tourist spots that will surely take your breath away. So, what are you waiting for? Tara na! It is the time to treat yourself and have some fun. Have time to explore, admire, and be captivated by the Zamboanga Peninsula's hidden beauty.
Zamboanga Peninsula, or previously known as Western Mindanao. May 3 provinces ang Zamboanga Peninsula. Ito yung Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, and Zamboanga Sibugay. Meron din itong 2 chartered city. Ito yung Zamboanga City, known as highly urbanized city. And lastly, Isabela City. Meron din itong 67 municipalities and 1,904 barangays. And yung regional center nila is Pagadian City. Yung Zamboanga Peninsula po ay napapagitan ng Moro Gulf and Sulu Sea. Yung major religion ng Zamboanga Peninsula is Roman Catholic, and other religion are Islam and born-again Christianity. Zamboanga Peninsula has international airport and 2 domestic airports. It is also accessible by boat and land. Kapag naman po may budget ka or gusto mo ng komportableng biyahe or travel sa papuntang Zamboanga Peninsula, pwede kang gumamit by air. Meron tayong Zamboanga International Airport, tapos Dipolog Airport and Pagadian Airport. Kapag by boats naman po, merong ports in Zamboanga City and Dapitan City, from Manila, Cebu, and Dumaguete. And pag by land naman po, or by bus transportation, meron tayong Dipolog, Tagajan, Cagayan de Oro, and vice versa. Pagdating naman po sa language and dialect ng Zamboanga Peninsula, meron tayong English, Cebuano, Visayan, Subanon, Ilonggo, Sambugueño, Tagalog, Tausog, Chabacano, and Spanish. Major industry ng Zamboanga Peninsula, fishing, mining, and agriculture. It also supplies 70% of the domestic requirements for dried fish. Zamboanga Peninsula also considered as a sardines capital of the Philippines. Zamboanga Peninsula din po yung major procedure ng virgin coconut oil and edible oil for domestic market. Sila din po yung merong malaking deposit ng precious metals including gold, silver, copper, chromite, iron, and other minerals. Ito po yung geography map of Zamboanga Peninsula. Here are the ethnic groups of Zamboanga Peninsula: Yakan, Tausog, Pajao, and Samar. Zamboanga Peninsula po yung first export processing zone in Mindanao. Farming and fishing are their main livelihood. Dipolog City yung home of many bottled sardines company that being exported by abroad. Naman po tayo sa provinces of Zamboanga Peninsula. Una po ay Zamboanga del Norte. Zamboanga del Norte, ang capital niya po is Dipolog City. Land area is 730,100 hectares. And yung cities niya is Dipolog and Dapitan City. Municipalities is 25 and barangays is 691. Major industry are agriculture, fishing, mining, and coconut. Ang main crops naman po ng Zamboanga del Norte are coconut, corn, palay, cassava, rubber, and vegetable. Sa range of accommodation naman po ng Zamboanga del Norte, kapag yung budget mo lang is 1.5 per night, dito ka po mag-avail ng accommodations sa Fific Lodge, Royal Farm Resort, Antonio's Pension House, Bamboo Garden, Business Inn, C&L Seaview Hotel, Els Lodge, Ramos Hotel, Ranillo Pension House, Rodriguez Inn. Kapag naman po sa mid-range, kapag yung budget mo is 1.5 to 3,000 per night, dito ka po mag-avail ng accommodation sa D Hotels plus Suites. Then kapag yung budget mo is 3,000 per night naman, pupunta ka dito sa Dacac Beach Resort and Hariana Hotel INC. Punta naman po tayo sa festivals ng sa Norte. Boclog Festival. Sineselebrate po siya tuwing February 2. Sineselebrate nila ito bilang Thanksgiving para sa mga ritual system ng mga Subanen. Hudyaka Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing May 29 hanggang June 7. A week-long celebration para ma-showcase yung Zamboanga del Norte Best Agritourism Booth, street dancing, face-off with participation from different municipalities of the provinces. Kinabayo Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing June 12 hanggang July 25. Sineselebrate nila ito para sa kanilang dapitan patron na si St. James. Punta naman po tayo sa attractions and activities ng Zamboanga del Norte. Sa historical, cultural, and heritage attraction, meron tayong Fort de Dapitan, yan po yung itsura niya. Then Rizal National Park, Ancestral Houses, Pagsalabok Circle. Natural attraction naman po, meron tayong Dacac Beach, yan po yung itsura niya. Aliguay and Silinog Island, Sungkilaw Falls, Cogon Eco Tourism Park, Sikaya Beach, Dapitan Bay, Then, sa built attraction naman, meron tayong St. James Church, Casa Bernido, Linabo Peak, Pitan City Plaza, Gloria's Fantasyland. Next is Zamboanga del Sur. Zamboanga del Sur, ang capital niya is Pagayan City. Land area is 591,416 hectares. Ang municipality na meron siya is 26. Barangays is 681. And yung major industry nila is agriculture, rubber industry, fishing, wood industry, mining. Range of accommodation naman po ng Zamboanga del Sur, kapag yung budget mo is 1.5 per night, dito ka po mag-avail ng accommodation. 4 Queens Resort, GV Hotel Pagayan, Hotel Guillermo. Then kapag mid-range naman, yung budget mo is 1.5 to 3,000 per night, dito ka pupunta sa Hotel Camila. And then, wala siyang high-end na 3,000 yung budget per night. Punta naman po tayo sa Zamboanga del Sur Festivals. Kutsitsa Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing April 26. Sineselebrate ito para sa pasasalamat sa masaganang ani, and also ina-highlight nito yung agri-trade. Megayon Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing September 11 hanggang September 17. Ina-highlight and pinifuture nito ang trade and travel products, culture and tradition ng iba't ibang municipalities nila at ang kanilang local festival. Attractions of Sur. Sa natural attraction, meron tayong Lakewood and Lake Daisy. Yan po yung itsura nila. Then, Mount Timulan, Mount Susong Dalaga. Yan po yung pictures nila. Then, Bulacan Falls, Suminot Cave, Dawdaw Island. Yan po yung mga pictures nila. Then, sa built attraction naman po, Aurora Mountain Resort, Lily's Hidden Spring. Yan po yung pictures nila. La Suerte Hanging Bridge, Bagalufa Hanging Bridge. Zamboanga Sibugay. Zamboanga Sibugay, capital niya po is Ifil. Land area niya po is 3,607.75 hectares. Ang municipalities naman po ng Zamboanga Sibugay ay 16, and then yung barangay is 389. Major industry are wood industry, agriculture, livestock, poultry, and fishing. Sa range of accommodation naman po ng Zamboanga Sibugay, kapag yung budget mo is 1.5 per night, dito ka pupunta sa GV Hotel Ipil, Hotel Casa Mia, Sibugay Grand Plaza Hotel. Then kapag mid-range, yung budget mo is 1.5 to 3,000 per night, dito ka mag-avail ng accommodation sa Ever-O Hotel. Wala siyang high range or high end. Punta naman po tayo sa Zamboanga Sibugay Festival. Sibog-Sibog Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing February 15 hanggang February 26. Sineselebrate nila yung oyster industry na meron sila. Zamboanga Sibugay has a most delicious, juiciest, meatiest, and biggest oyster sauce. Pasalamat Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing January 15 hanggang January 29. Sineselebrate nito ang street dancing competition o yung traditional way of holding Thanksgiving para sa mga Suvanen and Kalibugans. Kasikas Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing May 1. Sineselebrate nila ito to honor their patrons of Ifil na si Senior San Jose Mamumuo. Bangus Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing December. Sineselebrate bilang pasasalamat na nagtatampok sa kasaganahan ng bangus o milkfish bilang pangunahing produkto ng lokalidad. Kasadyaan Festival. Sineselebrate siya tuwing December 15 hanggang 19. Sineselebrate siya to honor their municipality of Diplahan Anniversary. Na-highlight din nito ang street dancing, parade, and search of Miss Diplahan. Attractions of Zamboanga Sibugay. Sa natural attraction naman po, meron tayong Sibugay Bay, Tantanan Bay, Pulo Laom. Yan po yung pictures nila. Then, Pandilusan Island, Mole Vole Cave, Tagbilat Falls. Yan po yung mga features nila. Then, sa built attraction, meron tayong Philippine Rubber Project Co-Plantation, Noah's Ark. In 2006, Zamboanga City was relabeled from City of Flowers to Asia's Latin City. Pinalitan siya ni Mayor Celso L. Lobregat. Naniniwala siya na kaya ng mga tao sa Zamboanga na magsalita ng Chabacano. Ang major industry ng Zamboanga City ay trade, agriculture, fishing, furniture, and food industry, then ornamentals, horticulture, textile, proceed marine products. Then, sa range of accommodation naman po ng Zamboanga City, kapag yung budget mo is 1.5 per night, dito ka mag-avail ng accommodation sa Daniel's Hotel, Hamilton Business Inn, Winsal Suites, Lantaco Hotel. Then, kapag mid-range, 1.5 to 3,000 per night, dito ka mag-avail sa Martian Business Hotel and Grand Astoria Hotel. Kapag high-end naman, at least 3,000 per night. Kapag may budget ka or may kakayahan ka, dito ka sa Garden Orchid Hotel. Punta naman po tayo sa Zamboanga City Festival. Zamboanga Hermosa Festival or Fiesta Pilar. Celebrate siya tuwing October 10 hanggang 12. Celebrate to honor their patron saints, Our Lady of the Pilar. Regata de Zamboanga. Hina-highlight din nito ang Zamboanga Hermosa Festival. Ito yung karerahan ng mga colorful na bangka. Punta naman po tayo sa attractions and activities ng Zamboanga City. Historical, culture, and heritage attraction. Meron tayong Zamboanga City Hall, Baguio Burial Grounds, Port Pilar. Yan po yung pictures nila. Then, Rio Hondo Village, Yakan Weaving Village, Climaco Freedom Village. Yan po yung pictures nila. Then, sa natural attraction naman, meron tayong Santa Cruz Island, Mount Pulong Bato, La Vista del Mar. Yan po yung pictures nila. Then, Merloquet Falls, Pasunan Eco Park. Yan po yung pictures nila. And then, sa built attraction naman, meron tayong Zamboanga Cathedral, Paseo del Mar, Taluk Sangkay Mosque. Yan po yung mga pictures nila. Then, Kawa-Kawa Boulevard, Jardine Maria Clara, Zamboanga Golf and Country Club. Recommended pasalubong, chicken pizza, lokot-lokot, barquillos, bottled sardines, bagoong gata, tarts, nuts, etc., balong, yakan, maranao, and tausog handicrafts, fresh seafood, fruits, and souvenir items. Famous food ng Zamboanga Peninsula, Tiyula Itum. Ito yung isang tradisyonal na pagkain Muslim na sikat sa kultura ng mga Tausog. Ito ay isang malinamnam na ulam na gawa sa mga sangkap tulad ng karne, gata ng nyog, luya, bawang at iba pang mga special na mga sangkap. Beef and chicken sati. Similar ang sati sa satay or grilled skewered meat. Pero dito sa Zamboanga po, madalas ay sinaserve ito na nasa bowl ng red-orange spicy sauce na may cubes ng molded ice. Paborito itong breakfast food ng mga locals. Seafood paella. Isang lutuin na kanin na orihinal na nagmula sa Valencia kung saan madalas itong kinakain. Particular na tuwing linggo at tuwing Les Pales. Madalas na pinamamalutian ang paella ng gulay at ng karne o pagkaing dagat. Ang tatlong pangunahing kasangkapan ng seafood paella ay kanin, kasubha at mantika ng oliba. Kuracha with alabar sauce. Familiar ba sa inyo ang kuracha? Or cockroach ang ibig sabihin ng kuracha sa Chabacano. Ganon din ang cucaracha sa Spanish. Pero don't worry dahil hindi ipis to. Ang kuracha na tinutukoy ang spinner crabs na isa sa pinakakilalang pagkain dito sa Zamboanga. Knickerbocker ay parang fruitier, healthier na kapatid ng halo-halo. Ang colorful dessert na ito ay may jellies, fresh fruit tulad ng apple, watermelon, pineapple, at mangga na nilalagyan ng condensed milk at may shape ng ice at strawberry ice cream sa ibabaw. That's all about Region 9, Zamboanga Peninsula. Thank you.